If you want to fly with eagles, don't swim with the ducks. When you sparkle, you inspire everyone around you. Judge a man by his questions rather than by his answers. Hard times will always reveal true friends. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even give you a Hennessy. You should never forget a person who came to you with a torch in the dark. Speak well of others, not of their faults. Winning without problems is just victory, but winning with lots of trouble creates history. You will always have problems in life. Learn to enjoy life while solving them. Every positive thought is a silent prayer that will change your life. Forgiving people in silence and never speaking to them again is a form of self-care. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. There are 3 ways to ultimate success. The first way is to be kind. The second way is to be kind. The third way is to be kind. Expect nothing, appreciate everything.